Welcome, this is Alfred, mind behind Oberets Cleaning Services. As you can see today, we are very busy doing the job of the day, and this is the amount of work that we've done. As you can see, this is the first car, the second car, the far end is another car, a Vox car. This is the first car that we did. It's already dry, you can see. We've dismantled the seats, the boots over there. You can see how interiors of this particular are sparkling, very nice, very neat. And we do believe, as our clients, this is the amount of work that we intend to do. This is another car, as you can see. We did that one. The second one, on going with the third one. Car detailing services, we do deliver the best. We are trusted on matters car interior detailing, and you can see this is a very big company that has kept its trust on us. So we ensure that we deliver the best. You are out there and you need car detailing services for your car, kindly get in touch with us and we will deliver the best. You can see all over there, those are the interior seats, the carpets all over there, drying headrests over there. Here the seats are there also, everything is drying. And by the end of our work, we will mount everything into its position and the cars will be ready to resume their normal work. This is the car that we've done. You can see from behind to the front. This is another car, brand name, brand new things here. So car detailing services, we always offer the best. Out there and you need our services, kindly get in touch with us and we will deliver the best we can. Matters car detailing services. Have a lovely day wherever you are. Kindly get in touch with us on Matters car detailing services. You can get our services on car detailing services, and not only that service that we do provide, other services that we do provide include car detailing services, carpet cleaning services, sofa cleaning services, post-construction cleaning services, fumigation and pest control, among other services. Thank you for watching our video and be blessed wherever you are as we wait for your call. Thank you.